In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gumloop for email marketing. By the end, you'll know how to set up a simple, reliable workflow that captures your leads and prepares them for your campaigns. First, head to the Gumloop hub. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side of the screen. That sidebar is your main navigation, and it's where you'll find everything you need. From there, open Workflows. This is the space where you connect your tools and data to power your email marketing automations. Next, select Create Workflow. Give your workflow a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to find later, especially if you plan to build more than one. Think along the lines of newsletter leads to email list or web form signups. Nurture. Now click Add Trigger. A trigger is what starts your workflow. For email marketing, the two most common triggers are Webhook and Google Sheets. Choose Webhook if you want Gumloop to receive data from a form on your website or another app in real time. Choose Google Sheets if you keep a spreadsheet of contacts. If you go the Sheets route, make sure your columns are clearly labeled, like email, first name, and company, so fields are easy to map later. If you use a webhook, keep an example payload handy so you can confirm the incoming data has the fields you expect. If you're unsure about the best setup, click Ask Gummy for help. Gummy is Gumloop's built-in assistant and can draft the workflow logic for you. When the chat opens, create a prompt that explains your goal. For example, tell it you want to capture new leads, personalize messages with a first name, and prepare them for a welcome sequence. Include where the contacts come from, webhook, or Google Sheets, and mention any formatting needs like standardizing capitalization. As you write your prompt, be specific. Name the fields you have available and the outcome you want. If you want a particular tone for your messages, friendly, professional, or concise, say so. Gummy may ask follow-up questions. Just answer them one by one until the assistant indicates the setup is complete. This back and forth helps ensure your workflow reflects your actual data and marketing intent. Remember to only use contacts who have opted in to receive emails. When everything looks good, click Save. Your workflow is now stored and ready for further adjustments whenever you need them. You've set up the foundation for email marketing in Gumloop, simple, organized, and aligned with your data source, so you can move forward with confidence.